A window board is a piece of wood or MDF that is found underneath a window. They are commonly referred to as window sills. What are they used for? A window board's primary use is to cover the reveal at the bottom of the window. External walls are usually a lot thicker than a window, and because they are fitted flush with the outside of the wall, you are left with a reveal around the window. A window board fitted on the bottom reveal covers this gap. Do they serve any other uses? When fitted underneath the window, the reveal itself looks more appealing to the eye. Generally, the left, right and top of the window reveal are plasterboarded and then plastered. The bottom of the reveal is normally left as brickwork or bare plasterboard. Therefore, a window board can help make the window reveal look complete. It can be used as a shelf. In most homes, you'll find various ornaments and picture frames on the window sills. This is common practice because usually they are wide enough to have many items sit on top of them. Do all window boards feature a bullnose? When purchasing window boards, you may find that a lot of them are bullnosed. This refers to the front edge of the board being round rather than square. This helps to make the board look more appealing and prevents any sharp edges causing harm. Do window boards always have a tongue? Not as standard. For instance, our window boards will not feature a tongue unless it is requested. A tongue is used to fit the groove on the window to help secure the board and keep it in place. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.